Yo, Vice Kartel, if you say anybody get fight in this world, yeah, bro, are you? Yo, I tell you, people wicked, dog. And it's understandable, but I beg you, Addy, no pay them no mind, dog. Not even them little youth where I come out and try to violate, bro, because they could never match up to your level, bro. They would never get the respect the way you have, bro. And the way them for over say, yo, you see the dominance way you have, bro, and the influential person you are, you don't have to go on any social media and say anything bad about them. Because you see the fans them alone are gonna lock them off. Bro, may I tell you this? It's surprising that, crazy that the fact that, you know, that night there was a special night for you, bro. And the man ain't come out and try to violate. Bro, may I tell you this? I'm not busy with nobody wants to say. I top listen Joshy, bro. I don't want to hear no massacre either, bro. May I listen to the storybook rhythm. And the storybook rhythm, it's like it have Teacher, then Valiant, and then one side. Bro, I'm a top listener mix there, bro. If I not hear Kartel and Valiant and them artists, bro, I don't want to hear them other ungrateful people. You say ungrateful people, bro. I don't like that. All if I don't meet them do something, bro, I don't like that, bro. You see me? I don't like that cause respect. I don't for sure respect, dog. I don't ever want this top. Me play what kind of Joshy? Play what kind of blood clan massacre? Dog, right now, my youth. Me them not gonna lie to you. Me used to always listen massacre more than right now, bro. I bet I'm listen to some alkaline more than your massacre. Because alka hold him more. Him say what him have to say still. Even though him this killer, I not like that. And tell killer about him, I not like that. But right now, dog, I not listen to no massacre, bro. Who want cuss and say what them want, so I not listen to no massacre. None. Joshy was my park that. But when you give respect, or respect is due. Because when I go reach, if God forbid when I reach at the level I want to start get disrespect. I never even did like the fact when I try to put him up against Donia, cause nah. If you give respect, dog. Just like what Kartel said, go clash alkaline, bro. Alkaline get no. Now me definitely a real for alka for rub out your blood clot. Because you have your chest too high, bro. You want one of them big puff there, boom, in your chest for make you know. Calm down, bro. Humble. Humble, bro. Chest too high, bro. You see me? Enough I not do what the man do, dog. Enough. You think me can listen to our blood clot? You think me can listen to our worth of blood clot massacre? That's not gonna happen. Bro, me play a CD from way back them time there. Till now. And running again. And the only artists me would do that, few artists me would do that are Bounty, Popcorn, Kartel for sure. You see me? And who else? Me run doing a tune them too, cause doing a busy. You see me? And you have, when it come to a Sanchez, we know what them artists say. Bojo for sure. Capleton for sure. Sizzler for sure. But you see, uno little fool. Uno, you happy to uno they even know. Enough for the Gaza fans them too. And them always I say one side. Them always I say one side. I have to remember. If not park them the bum bucklers. I don't care nobody wants to say, bro, me top listen. Right now, them select here if you don't want them storybook really me play. And they get a good run. When I put Massacre song, put the weight on one part. If you want to start it off, so I want to start it off. But you can skip past it, so I have to skip after again. Yeah, I'm not listening to more Massacre, bro. Disrespect that, bro. Disrespect. Yeah, man not do you nothing, bro. Man call you up on stage, enough people that talk about energy drain. Like, the fuck I don't want energy from Uno. Uno crazy. Him could have got to show them, go do it, show them without uno, bro. Without bringing up on the stage, bro. The man don't need nothing. What kind of energy the man need from uno, dog? Do you know kind of energy? You know, crazy, dog? Some of the time, I don't live in some delusion there. I don't know what the fuck, boy, I don't know what to blood clot. God help uno. God go with uno, because I not go. I swear, uno stupid no blood clot. Remember, you know, uno live a lifestyle where if shit stop, pop phone, uno still have to pay for uno who uno have. I don't have to pay blood clot tax. So if shit now go on phone, I don't still have pay out then the money. When the money done, how the fuck I go down? If I be grateful and thankful who pave the way for you. You see me? If I be grateful and thankful who pave the way for you. Wicked no blood clot. Yeah. Kartel just answer them, bro. Answer them, brother. You don't even know. Remember me tell you, if I had to come out of blood clot jail, me blood clot, man. Dance all nice again. I want to know that. When the man there in a prison, none of you never either do it. None of you never either blood clot do it. None of you. None of you. The younger little youth, them craft and them man they start I come up and dominate more than enough of you. I'll just see you come like one pussy clown to blood clean. You know, all of them rhythms, king and them man they forward out to them. You can't even blood clot all your own. Can't. I got you in here for park and for go park up you to pussy clot. Park and for park you up. Yeah.